Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Imran Qureshi and today in this video lesson we are going to study the introduction of the quadratic equation. And first of all, what is quadratic equation? An equation in which the greatest exponent of the variable is 2, that's called the quadratic equation. In simple word we can say where the highest power or degree of the variable is 2, that's called the quadratic equation. Clear? Now here is the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and a, b, c all three are the real number, and a, b, c also called as a coefficient of the quadratic equation. And one of the important condition is that a should not be equal to 0. Why? Because if a equal to 0, in that condition x square term will also be equal to 0. So the highest power of the variable in this equation will not be equal to 2 and it will not be a quadratic equation. Okay, and this we are trying to understand with the help of example. Here are some example out there. 5x square plus 6x plus 7 equal to 0 and x square minus 9 equal to 0. Another example we can take 5x square is equal to 0 and last one 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here are the four examples are there. From this four, first three are the quadratic equation. Why? Because the highest power of the equation is 2 because x square term is there. If x square term is there, that means the highest power of the variable is 2. That's why it is a quadratic equation. But in the last example, the highest power of the variable is 1. So that's why it is not a quadratic equation. It will be a linear equation. Okay. So the compulsory condition to become a quadratic equation, x square term should be exist in that equation, or in other word we can say the highest power or degree of the quadratic equation must be equal to 2. Clear? Now we are trying to understand the roots of the quadratic equation. So first of all, what is root? A root is the value of x which satisfies the given equation is called the roots of the quadratic equation. In simple word, we can say roots are the solution of the quadratic equation. Just by keeping that value of x, it will satisfy the given quadratic equation. Okay, and since it has the highest power 2, so that's why every quadratic equation has two roots. And these both values we can find by the quadratic formula. And by using quadratic formula, we can get the both values of the roots. And what is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? By using this formula, we can get the both values of the roots of the quadratic equation. And here you can observe, here two signs are there, plus and minus. By taking the plus sign, we will get the first roots of the quadratic equation, and by keeping the minus sign, we will get the second root of the quadratic equation. Clear? So by this simple formula, quadratic formula, we can get the solution, or we can say the roots of the quadratic equation. We can easily get it by putting the value of ABC. What is ABC? ABC, as we discussed, ABC are the coefficient of the variable, and this you can easily get by comparing this standard form with the given equation. Right? Thank you.